भीमातीरनिवासाय पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंगप्रकाशाय विठ्ठलाय नमो नमः. मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानंदतीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः. Dear children of God, Jai Sri Krishna, Namaste. It's the 60th day since the nationwide lockdown started. I felt that it would be helpful to have these 3 C's before us: control, compassion, and conviction. It's a rough journey, tough path, an uphill task that all of us are facing. The pandemic is a fact, stark, bare fact of life all over the world. To add to it, there is an earthquake sometimes. This day, there is a raging cyclone in the eastern zone of our country. How do we face all these calamities? Let these 3 words be our watchword. The first one is control. Before you conquer the world, the Greek oracle told Alexander, know thyself. We have to first control ourselves, our humiliating weaknesses, as my learned father said. Weakness humiliates you. Self-control elevates you. Weakness makes you worse than a beast. Control makes an angel of you. Weakness is the result of petty desires and mean motives. Control is the fruit of sustained discipline and adherence to scriptural injunctions. It's easy to fall, very difficult to rise. Control at first is difficult, but once we get the taste of it, we do not want to stray away from it. Riches, luxury, power, popularity, good looks, flatterers, and a host of other reasons make us lose our self-control. A little discretion, a steady mind attached to the feet of a spiritual guru can make us control ourselves and make control an easy practice. The second C is compassion. Even from childhood, let us develop this quality of kindness in thought, word, and deed. A strange phenomenon is seen in the children today. They love to hurt animals, trample insects, hit each other. At a later stage, even shoot at the innocent public, manifesting unwarranted violence. Let us teach them kindness. Let us practice kindness, first in looks, in words, and then deeds. Namadeva, the saint of Maharashtra, was seen chasing a dog in the street. Why? To give butter to the dog who was running with a roti. What altruism is this? The third C is conviction. It's the bedrock of good behavior. Control and compassion are but the natural offshoots of conviction. Belief and behavior go together. Our belief in Lord Krishna molds our way of life. It's not a shallow belief. It's a strong foundation for several years. Why? Several births. Bahunam janmanamante jnanavan mam pravadyate vasudeva sarvamiti samahatma sudurlabha. It has the blessings of our parents and our gurus whom we worship. It is an integral part of our personality. Conviction can never be peripheral. It is in every cell of our being, with a deep impact on all that we think, all that we say, and all that we do. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Shuni Chaiva Shvavakecha Pandita Samadarshinaha. The wise one believer looks with equanimity on all: a Brahmin, a cow, an elephant, a dog, a cannibal. This is the 5th chapter of the Gita, 18th verse. Let us remember the 3 C's to make life happy, healthy, hopeful, and divine in these hard times which all of us are facing. भक्तों की जय, भगवान की जय, भक्ति की अद्भुत महिमा की जय 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 जय, भक्तों की जय, भगवान की जय. Thank you.